What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on the Dogwifhat. Had to cover it. I think it's, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's the strongest performer over the course of today, at least from the top 100. Outside of Popcat, but it has been very, very strong. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on it. Wanted to give you my thoughts on what to expect from here. Can we rally up higher and what's going on? All right, because I think that's an interesting question to ask with WIF, because what we've seen quite often already is that WIF as a meme coin is usually sold off like ridiculously hard. Like you can see it right here, for example. Back in June, WIF was one of the weakest meme coins, and then it has these very strong, very quick recoveries. And then here it's the same. I mean, from the top we made here. We were down like 63%. And then we get such a strong rally, big bullish breakout. I mean, we broke above 1.5, big psychological level. So there's something, and there's also, look, I have a couple of alerts, couple of bots that tell you when certain cryptos are kind of manipulated, or at least when like whales release bots on cryptos to buy or sell. And WIF is usually one of those cryptos, all right, or at least it's manipulated, or at least it has bots trading it quite often. So maybe that's it, maybe not, who knows. All right, we know that today it's relatively bullish. The Solana ecosystem is also doing relatively well, so you can see something like Bonk, but also Popcat is doing quite well as well. And at this moment, look, WIF is still bullish. All right, we had some shorts being opened at some point of time, but it looks quite likely to me like we got some short liquidations last hour. I expect there to be more short liquidations, because what's happening is that there is still a lot of bullish momentum in the markets. Bitcoin is trying to break out, Solana is trying to get towards the top of the range around 160. So for now, I don't think WIF is done yet. I also don't expect a massive bull run here. But the thing is if you technically look at this, excuse me, we're gaining momentum. And we broke above, or at least I assume this 12-hour time frame is breaking above 1.5. So I have to, and I also don't think fundamentally the risk of another market low has significantly decreased. So I do think that, like right now, purely technically, WIF is basically back in the same area between 2.25 and 1.5. And if you combine that with the strength of the Solana ecosystem and the momentum that we saw coming in for WIF, I think it's most likely that yes, we'll get a pullback, but that pullback will just be a retest into 1.6, 1.55, 1.5, find support there, before rallying up higher to the next price target around $2. That's what I think is most likely. Now, there is still, like I said, the fundamentals for the market have improved. There is still a lot of like negative fundamentals, or at least uncertainty around the markets when we're talking about unrest in the world, but also economically. So 1.5 really is the key level to watch, right? I expect that level to be retested. WIF has momentum, but it doesn't have momentum to keep going up forever, I think, at least. So watch that retest, all right? If we get a strong bounce, then it's likely that we'll rally up higher, together with Bitcoin going to 60,000 here, which seems to be more likely. And if we don't get that strong bounce, might be something off. But I'll keep you updated on that if you're interested in that. For now, this is my most likely scenario. We might actually bounce up here a little bit higher before pulling back. And this pullback can also be something like this, right? So those are my thoughts. I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.